What's good, guys? So, today I have a great way that you can potentially earn between $25 and $30 per hour using your laptop or your mobile device. Guys, if that sounds good to you, then stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you everything that you need to make between $25 and $30 per hour online. So, with that being said, let's jump into my computer so we can get started. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Alright guys, so like I said in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make some decent PayPal cash testing websites for other companies. Now these aren't no-name companies. These are big branded companies like Walmart, Target, and things like that who need somebody to test their websites or their apps. Just make sure everything is working, okay? So the first site that I'm going to show you is called Try My UI, okay? And again, you'll get paid for testing apps and websites, okay? Now this site pays you about $10 for every test that you complete, okay? Which isn't bad. Like I said, you can use this to make between $25 to $30 per hour, all right? And it's pretty slick. You can do this on a computer. You can do this on your smartphone, all right? It's pretty slick. Again, all you need to do is test a website, and what they'll ask you to do is talk while you're testing out. So while you're going through the interface, they'll be like, you'll be like, hey, I like this works, or hey, this isn't working, or this is ugly, or these colors don't blend or match, or it's taking too long to load this. Just give your feedback as you're testing it, and once you're done, you get paid, and you can cash out via PayPal. Okay, so if you want to if you want to check out this website, let's try my UI. And up at the top right, you'll see a little option that says get paid to test. And you click on that. And you can see right here it says become a Try My UI tester. Okay. And you see you will be paid $10 for each test you take. Okay. It says a typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Okay. Start up now and start making the web a more user-friendly place. Okay. So pretty straightforward right there. It tells you you'll make 10 bucks after you complete each test. Okay. And again, all you need to do is just speak through and give your honest opinion and feedback. It's not that complicated. Now, what I will say with these things, because I have tried some of these in the past, is that you have to be very clear about your feedback. They are looking for, sometimes they will be looking for specific things. So you just have to make sure that you're talking often and that you are very articulate, very clear about what you say. Okay? The better you get at the better you get at it, the more they'll send you tests. Okay? When I first started, I was doing one for video game testing, and at first they would come every couple of days, so I wasn't getting that many. But as I got better explaining things, they sent more and more to me, so I was getting maybe one or two a day. Okay, so at first you won't get that many, but the better you get at it and the better feedback they get from you, they will send you more and more offers. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Like a lot of times what people do with these, they'll sign up and they'll complain that they're not getting any tests, or when they do get tests, they're not giving feedback. They're just running through it. They may mumble. They're not being clear about what they say. So you got to be very clear. You have to always be speaking and giving feedback. That's what they're looking for, feedback. It doesn't help them if they don't know what's wrong, what they're doing wrong, or what they're doing right. So keep that in mind when you're signing up and you're trying this, okay? I'm going to bring you to another site, all right? And that one is Userlytics. And similar to the other site, you'll be doing the same thing, testing websites. You can do it with your phone. You can do it on a laptop, okay? And it's the same thing. You'll be going through sites, big companies, okay? As you can see at the top, the first one that you saw was Walmart, the Walmart app, okay? So that's the type of things that you'll be doing. Okay, and you can see right here, their clients, Microsoft, Google, Philips, L'Oreal. These are big name companies. The Washington Post, these are big name companies, okay? So you're not dealing with nobodies, all right? So they always want feedback with whenever they're trying to change their website or their apps and stuff like that. So again, you've got the tester sign up right here, but at the top right, you just click on that if you want to become a tester, all right? And here you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, or other amounts. Okay, some projects even pay up to $90. Okay, so you can make a lot of money with this particular site. Okay, just remember what I said. You have to be very clear with your feedback, and you have to be constantly giving feedback. Okay, they want to know everything that's wrong, and they want to know everything that they're doing right. And again, you won't get that many at first, but as you get better at it, they'll send more and more, and you can really start to make money with these type of websites. Okay, a lot of people don't tell you what you need to actually succeed. They just say, hey, this is how you can make money, and here you go. But there is a certain thing that you need to do, like in some of my earlier videos with surveys. A lot of people tell you, hey, you can make money with these surveys, go ahead and check them out, but they don't actually tell you how to make money with them surveys. Okay, like with the surveys, they look for consistency. They'll give you trick questions, okay, to see if you answer them right multiple times or answer it the same way, okay? Or they'll see if you're answering too fast just to see if you're just clicking through. Like they test you with certain things to make sure that you're legitimately trying to take these surveys. And it's sort of the same thing with like these user testing sites. Like they want to make sure that you're invested in it. So give them the feedback that they're looking for. Give them constant feedback, okay? Just don't sit there and try to click through trying to do things or run a task just to get paid. Like, actually invest in it, and you will actually get paid, okay? You'll get tons and tons of offers. Because right now I'm getting tons and tons of survey offers, and with these user tests, I'm getting constant with emails about this new test or this new survey. You know, like, if you invest in the time to give them what they want properly, they will invest their time into giving you the opportunity. All right. I can't stress that enough. You really got to do that. Okay. So again, sign up. All right. Take your time. Give them the feedback that they're looking for, whether it's good or bad. Just give them good feedback. Okay. And they'll keep sending you tests and you can keep getting paid. All right. So the last one I have on the list for today is enrollapp.com. All right. Sign up. Same thing as the other ones, but I believe this one you can only do it on your computer. You can't do like any test with your phone. PayPal, they pay you to test websites and apps and user interfaces and stuff like that. And you can make about the same amount, $5, $10, $20 for each test. Okay? Pretty good site. And just as I mentioned before, and I'm going to say it again because I want to drill this in your head. You have to be constantly giving them feedback, okay? And it has to be clear. They want to be able to understand it so they know what changes they need to make, what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong. The better you get at it, the more offers they will send you, okay? I would honestly, if I were you, sign up to all three and just go back and forth between the three just so you can have some steady income coming in, all right? So that's all I got for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find this content useful. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and also there will be a link down in the description below for my #1 way to make money online. This is what I use to make money online, and if you're interested in building a serious online business, I would highly suggest you check it out. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.